All right, if you've ever been curious to see what exactly is on the inside of a braided water line, hopefully this video can help you out. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got an old ice maker braided water line and it actually failed on me, so it's pretty much useless. So I thought I'd go ahead and take it apart to see what exactly is on the inside of this tube. So I've got this massive wire cutters and it's pretty dull, but it does crimp it down pretty nicely because I've got a sharper one here that will be able to kind of trim or clip it so it actually cuts. So I'm just curious what is inside of this thing. Use these from time to time, you know, and I've always been curious. It's a little flexible, but it's also got this like weird metal part on the outside, right? So what's that all about? So we're cutting this up here, and we're gonna clip both sides, and all right, we're gonna wrestle it off with my pliers here. Basically, it's like cutting through cable or metal, right? So not the cleanest cut, but all right, it's break time. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it's helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check the links in the description. You get the idea. All right, stay with me. We're almost there. Let's see. Will this be worth your wait or not? So we've got the end piece taken off, and let's get a look at what is inside there. So it's crimped a little bit, but you can see we've got a soft, flexible, let me round that out a little bit more. There we go. So we've got kind of this white, soft, flexible tube on the inside that's wrapped on the outside with kind of this meshed wire, this braid, they call it a braided water line, right? And it does, those are like sharp pieces of wire that stick out. Let's peel back that metal lining a little bit so you can get a closer view of the white plastic piece on the inside. Now this is the severed piece, obviously the same thing on this side. Definitely should be wearing gloves here. But then if we poke our head down, yeah, so anyway, and that metal also pulls. It's pretty flexible like this if you just grab it. And yeah, we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you answer that question. What is on the inside of one of these water lines? Thanks.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.